Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing this human hair mannequin head. This is how it looks straight out the box. I wasn't expecting it to be this color. I was hoping it was for like a more like a near the 613 blonde color, but this one is more like a 27. I believe that's what it described it as. Company that I received it from, I believe it's pronounced 𝐁𝑑𝐄𝐀𝐍. So if you want one, you can go and get it from there. I'm calling her Miss Cindy for Cinderella, but I was just showing y'all the enclosure of the mannequin head and the hairline. The hair is pretty full and thick. I'm really just using this mannequin head for like makeup and braiding purposes only. So this is what came in the goodie bag. First, we got some clips. If you can see in the back, Miss Cindy has the last clip on her head. So it came with 3 clips, some rubber bands. You see Miss Cindy right there. Some pearl bobby pins, this little braiding thing, wide tooth comb, some Velcro thing, I don't know what that's for, and then some regular bobby pins. This is the tripod for the mannequin head. I'm just showing you how to put it together. Here I kind of messed up putting it on, but I'm gonna fix it and show you in the next clip. Yeah, so you take the little flower thing, shape thing, put it on top of the little ball thing, and then twist it. But here it's supposed to be able to twist it all the way down to the bottom, but this one wouldn't let me, so I guess that's just how it is. It's supposed to like move around so you can swivel the mannequin head around. And then here is where you would put it. I can't explain it, but you'll either put it on the shelf, a counter, or the table. And you see here, I'm trying to put it on the table. You just keep untwisting it until you have enough space to insert it inside, if that's me explaining it well. You don't want it to be this loose like that. That's what I'm showing you. So you're gonna tighten it up so it can stay. Here's Miss Cindy, and you're gonna take the little hole at the bottom, as you can see right there, and you're just gonna put it on the tripod. Just like that. Boom. So yeah. If you made it this far in the video, comment your favorite color. I don't know why it won't stay. I don't really like these type of tripods because they really don't stay. They're very cheaply made. But here I'm just testing out the hair, see if it's braidable or whatever I can do with it. So I'm just sectioning it off, and I'm just gonna start a braid. The hair is very shiny. You know what that means. If you know, you know what that means. But you can see as I'm braiding, I'm not even braiding right, but as you can see, I'm braiding. It's tangling as I'm braiding. So I maybe wouldn't use this mannequin head for like cornrows unless you really want to deal with that much tangling. I'm really trying to practice like knotless braids and things like that. That's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.